Hello. Today we'll be making a birthday card for a friend. You could do it any way you like. You could write the person's name or not. It's totally up to you because you are the artist. I chose to use blue on blue because my favorite color is blue and I just love it. So for the frosting, I'm just doing multicolor just to add a little pop. So my second word that I'd like to teach you in Farsi is friend. So in Farsi we say dost, and that means friend. So today I'm making a card for my dost. So I'd like to know how you say friend in your language. So if you could drop me a little message on the bottom and let me know, because wouldn't it be nice to know what friend means in every language? So there's my card. How do you like it? Let me know. Bye.